In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on VAT in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or simply managing the books, setting up VAT correctly is crucial for accurate financial reporting. Let's walk through this process step by step. To begin, let's get started by signing into QuickBooks Online. Head over to the website and locate the sign in button on the top right corner of the page. Once you click here, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. It's essential to make sure that you have your QuickBooks Online username and password handy. After entering your details, click on the Continue button to gain access to your QuickBooks dashboard. Once you are in, you'll notice several tabs at the top of your dashboard. The one we're interested in right now is the Taxes tab. Go ahead and click on it. The Taxes tab is where all your tax-related processes are managed, including VAT. This will bring up the Sales Tax page. On the sales tax page, you'll see a section that says Add, Edit Tax Rates and Agencies. Click on this link. This section will allow you to customize your tax settings according to your specific needs. It's important to get this setup spot on to ensure compliance with tax regulations. Now that you're on the right page, it's time to add a new tax. Locate and click the New button. This button gives you the opportunity to specify new tax details and make sure everything aligns with your business operations and local tax laws. First, you'll want to enter a tax name. This could be anything that makes sense for your records, such as VAT, or perhaps a more specific term that suits how your organization refers to it. Just make sure it's something that you and others will recognize easily later on. Next, you'll need to add the agency name. This is the name of the tax authority responsible for the VAT you're setting up. This could be a regional tax agency or a national one, depending on your location. It's crucial to ensure this is accurate so you'll know exactly where the taxes are being allocated to. Now that the agency name is set, it's time to input the rate. Enter the percentage at which the VAT should be calculated. Make sure you've checked the correct rate for your region so you're charging and collecting the right amount of tax. After filling in these details, you're ready to save the new tax settings. Simply click on the Save button. This will store all the information you've entered and activate VAT for your QuickBooks account, and there you have it. You've successfully turned on VAT in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you ensure that your business is compliant and your financial records are up to date. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below.